I am not an HR person to start with. I have been a finance person to start with, and I did a core finance for 12 years. And then there came a point where I wanted some diversification in my whole, career, because when I did my MBA in HR, I said, oh, this is something which is interesting. I need to learn how to, speak to people. I need to understand what people think and what they want. So it's been 7 years into this transformation journey for me. It started from finance.
तो फाइनेंस में तो आप रही, कौन कौन से रोल्स आपने परफॉर्म किए, भले आपका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के नाम लेना चाहे, इट्स अप टू यू, किन किन इंडस्ट्रीज में काम किया, फाइनेंस के बाद एचआर का सफर कैसे स्टार्ट करना हो, किसी ने कोई पुश किया या अंदलीब ने कहा चलो ये तो हो गया कुछ और कर लेते हैं, व्हाट वाज द आइडिया बिहाइंड इट?
So while I was doing finance, it was NGOs, it was corporate, it was educational institute as well. And I was getting flavors of everything. And many times I used to think, I could do this differently if I was in HR. I could do something else if I was in HR. I would have probably added this benefit if I was there.